In this video, we're going to look at how we can better organize our navigation pane by using the organize function. So for example, we'll use this field that we added called Almonds West. And when we added it, it put it to the bottom of all our devices and fields within the navigation pane. And we'd like to move it into the almonds where it belongs. So we're going to click on the Organize button. This pops up a tool that lets you move things around within navigation. So here we see our field down at the bottom, and currently it's in this top folder, the demo. So we're going to choose the demo folder, and here's our field. We're going to select the field, then we're going to say move. Then it's going to ask where we want to move it. So we're going to select a group, and we're going to move it into the almonds folder, and then click move. Then we hit save. And now it's moved it into the almonds folder. So but I'd like to actually put it up by the station. So it's this Almonds West field. I want to put it right underneath the field. So to do that, we're going to choose the folder that's in the almonds folder. And then we're going to highlight that field. And we can use the up arrow to move it up to where we want. So we're going to go right up underneath our station. So now that's positioned right underneath the Almonds West field station. So we'll hit save, and we can close this window down. And now you see that field is right underneath the station. So it's just a few simple steps to help you organize how you have your site set up.